Good morning, sir. This is Dharmaraj, production engineer. Today I am going to test the differential protection of 11 kV switchgear panel. This is our A12 incomer 1 panel. This is our A13 bus coupler and A14 bus riser, and our second panel, second incomer A15 incomer 2. In this switchgear, I am going to test 7SD6101 relay. This is our first incomer. In this feeder, we have ABB relay. For ABB relay main 1, this one is main 2. This will see the differential protection. Here only we have 11 kV relay, so I am considering that second incomer as a 132 kV relay first. Our 11 kV side, our CT ratio is 3150 amps and our HV side 400 amps. This is our transformer SLD. Our HV is LV side 11 kV delta connection, 132 kV star connection. For testing differential protection, I just communicated these two relay. I initialized that relay as 132 kV. This one is 11 kV. Both relays are communicated through FO cable. Both are communicated. Next, for testing, I am using 356 Omicron test kit. We have two sources. First source is connected as a 132 kV side. Second source connected to 11 kV side, and the voltage is also connected for 11 kV side. These two contacts I taken for a test kit feedback. This one is pickup and this one is a trip pass. I am using Dixie version 4.94 for relay communication. Okay. Our transformer detail, side one is CT ratio 400/1 amps, 5P 20, and is 11 kV side 3150 amps. Our ratio voltage rating 132 kV HV side, LV side 11.5 kV. In this, we are going to test differential protection and restricted earth fault, thermal overload, and a second harmonic protection. 11 kV side relay I just configured by using this setting file. We are getting voltage from XDV 8, 9, 10, 11. This is going to our 7SD relay. R phase, Y phase, P phase neutral. As well as RYB neutral voltage connected to here XDV group 7, 8, 9, 10. Here it is connected. 11 kV CT core 3 taken, and from XDA 17, 18, 19, 22 ROB neutral. Second source ROB neutral taken for 11 kV side. Here you can see 17, 18, 19, 22 terminal. It is connected as a current. And this first source taken for 132 kV. Here it is connected in 17, 18, 19, 22 ROB neutral. This is our test report, test procedure. I just filled these details, and our first test installation and correct wiring as per drawing. Terminal tightness check here, and hardware test. In hardware test, BI, BO, and LED I have checked. Next measurement, I just injected 1 amps in secondary side ROB, and respected value noted here, and same voltage 3.5 ohms injected in secondary side, and the voltage is noted here. And next, differential protection, our setting is 0.2. For 0.2, expected value for single phase 345. This is a calculated value. During testing, I got this 384 milliamps as a pickup value. 4 times of this pickup calculated value 1.380. For this value, I got 37 milliseconds for R phase trip. Same Y phase, B phase, I got 36 point something, this value as a trip value. And for 3 phase, calculated value is 199 milliamps, actual pickup value 223 milliamps. 4 times of this current, 0.892, I got 36.60 millisecond as a trip time pass. Next test, harmonic test. If our relay detects harmonic content of 15%, more than 15%, then our relay will block the differential production. If the harmonic content is less than the 15%, then it will give the trip. It will issue the trip. I just noted here for 14.9, it is less than our harmonic content, so it gave trip. More than 15.2, it is blocked. Next, production restricted earth fault. Our setting is 0.15 and 0 seconds trip time. Set value 0.15, expected value 0.15 only. Actual pickup value 0.149. And 4 times of this expected value 0.6. For this, I got 31.70 milliseconds as a trip time. Next, thermal overload protection. 19% is given in setting. My full load current is 0.996. 4 times of full load current 3.980. With for 4 times of full load current, I'm calculated value 3.60 seconds. I got actual trip time 3.62 pass. Remaining these other checks are completed. Fast conduct I have checked, rebooting time and protection LED, everything checked. As per this setting file, 11 kV to 132 kV intertrip and interlock have been already checked by using this.